Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So this short video here, I would like to share with you two stocks that we spot by using NS Screener, right? So for those who are first time following us in this video, right? NS actually is no supply. So what it means is that at the particular moment there is no sellers. Okay, so again, NS no supply, so which means that at the particular price level there is no uh, sellers, okay, and potentially they were going to build a nice support, okay, from this area. So this is some of the BSA signal that we use, okay, to actually enhance, okay, our trading decision. Okay, again, this video here is not to ask you to buy or sell, right, but just want to share with you how we're going to use the screener and the sounds, the signals that we're able to spot using BSA to help us out further in our tradings. Okay, so now we got two stocks, okay, Dialog and Public Bank. Again, two of the stocks come from a very different market direction or market stages. Okay, first of all, we got Public Bank. So overall, Public Bank actually is in a very nice reaccumulation. Of course, in between, if you look into the market stages, yes, we do have some sort of like a selling areas over here is pretty much like a bit of weakening in this area. But if you notice, over the price didn't go lower and it actually holding well on the trend 40s. So which means this is a shake-up rather than a distribution. So again, for those who know about VSA or you've been following us for quite some times, normally a big uptrust bar, okay, it will cause a big resistance, okay, and this kind of resistance needs lots of shakeout, okay, in order to remove the seller. For example, in this area, this is pretty big one, okay. Another big area will be from here, okay. But if you notice, the green bar, okay, of this market stages actually just turning back since this is back to last year, okay, mid of December, okay, until now still in green, okay. So this is again telling you that the shake has completed, they are back to the green area, so which means the above the support area. So currently, of course, today it hits the red line. Normally it hits red sign, which means that there is some sort like a resistance is there, okay, and you might want to watch out, is there any further some weakness, okay, in order for you to consider to take some profits, or maybe exit from the trades, okay. So of course, if you look into overall weekly chart, if you want to plan for long term, okay, for those that who are looking for long term, if you look into weekly chart as well, the market stage actually mostly they are at the positive territory, okay, which means they are above the zero line. Of course, we got few bars over here turning to red, but it's just a very small one, rather than like this, okay, like this, which is they are having a big downtrend or distribution. So again, small red bar over here in market stages probably is just tell you that there's a minor shakeout is happening over here, but it didn't cause a big distribution, okay. And if you notice, currently, of course, today is only Thursday, we got one more days to go on based on weekly chart. Currently the price actually turning to green pentagon. So again, green pentagon bullish signals, chances for them to, which is they are doing right now, are hitting the resistance already. Maybe it can challenge, okay, at the top of this resistance very soon, okay. Again, do bear in mind we are not doing any buy call over here. What you can do is that again, you can for our members, you can go to TradeVSA 360. You can search Public Bank, okay, at the top of the search bar there. So from here, actually, you can roughly know, okay, where is the R1, R2, and potential stop loss area. Okay, so this is where that you can use to help you out to build your own trading plan. Like for example, currently Public Bank R2 is 4.85. Okay, if you put 4.85, I think somewhere around this area over here. Okay, going back to this area, I believe 4.85. Okay, probably need to scroll up. Okay, so yeah, I think somewhere around here. Okay, if not, you can actually go to R1. Okay, R1 is 4.54. Okay, based on 360. 54. Okay, 54 is around this area. Okay, so this is the R1. Okay, based on previous high around this area, right? So you can actually use this, okay, to help you out, okay, to build your own trading plan, or maybe where's the right area for you to look for the TP. Okay, now The other one is dialogue, also actually appeared in the NS area. Sorry, the NS signals. Okay, going back to daily chart over here. So all the background is still very weak. Okay, of course they do form a double bottom like this. Okay, one, two. Notice here, red, red. Okay, but in between we got green and now slowly turning to green. Okay, so likely, the reversal might already confirms over here. So of course we got one NS, to NS. Okay, remember earlier on in the video we mentioned that NS is no supply. No supply is equals to no sellers, and whenever you got no sellers, chances for them to build a support is definitely is very good. Okay, so again you might want to aim for a short-term opportunities over here because overall dialogue background is still a bit weak compared to PBBANK. So if you look into dialogue in TradeVSA 360, you immediately can get okay where is the potential stop loss areas, where is the resistance and resistance 2. Okay, if you look into resistance 2, the potential is 3.11. Okay, 3.11, I think somewhere around here. 3.11. Okay, I think this is the areas. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, somewhere I think around this previous resistance. Okay, so probably you can do your own trading plan based on potential stop loss. What I do is that normally, if let's say the chart do provide me a nice sound strong, like for example NS, I will usually park my NS as my support. Okay, so here actually I able to roughly calculate. Okay, let me put the R1 as well. R1 is 2.19. Okay, 2.91. 2.91. I think somewhere around this area. Okay, so with this, actually, I'm able to calculate, okay, what is the type of risk to reward that I'm taking. Okay, so for example, if I'm looking for entry right now, low of the NS, okay, probably I'll give a little bit more space here. I actually risking 4 to 5%. Okay, to R1, okay, around 5%. So this is 1 against 1. Okay, but if let's say I'm aiming for R2, is 13%. So roughly one, definitely more than 1/2. Okay, so this is how you're going to use the TradeVSA 360 to help you out as your trading plans. Okay, now for those that who like what we do in this video over here, appreciate if you can click the like buttons. Let me know, okay, any things that you wish us to cover in this short video. Thank you.